The Progress Care Act requires that 3 forms of medicated assisted treatment be available in specific facilities in starting in September 2019. So this means that the state of Massachusetts had mandated the jails across the state to start doing MAT treatment. At which time the jail did start the Vivitrol, and other programs were taking part in a pilot program, testing it out, seeing how it went. That went great, so they mandated it across the whole state. So now the issue we have is that they have not given them any extra money for the MAP mandate. They are expecting them to do it on the budget that they have. The jail is working slowly to introduce the mats. As of right now, mainly most of the mat that they're doing is Vivitrol. They have started with Suboxone, doing Suboxone detoxifications, and I believe they do have like 2 inmates who are in there who are continuously on Suboxone. Those are the first 2 inmates ever at BCHC to be prescribed Suboxone throughout their stay. We've had men leave on Suboxone, but we have not yet had the 3rd mat available. So the jail is running out of time and I'm sure funding to do this. Alkermes is a pharmaceutical company who creates Vivitrol, which is why they have been working with them in order to do the first mat, because they've actually been supplying the first shot for the inmates before they get out of jail. So up until now, before the mandate, it has been relatively easy for them to stay in budget with that. But with that being said, the Suboxone and the methadone are definitely going to change that. It says here that the opioid crisis is having a huge impact on the criminal justice system and has costed them approximately $7.8 billion. This cost in Massachusetts was estimated at $500 million in 2017. And as you all know, the epidemic has only gotten worse since then. So I can only imagine it to be a lot worse. They predicted that 90% of larcenies and robberies were related to opioids in some way. So 1 in 5 individuals receive drug treatment while incarcerated. That meaning that BCHC just started this. So eventually we will have 1 out of every 5 individuals who are incarcerated. And if you do the math, that ends up being a lot of money towards the budget.